What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Michelle, and today I'm super excited. We're going to be unboxing January's ice cream box. I've had this for about a week now, and I am finally getting around to filming this for you guys so we can unbox it and try everything on that I got in here. This is the card that you get with it. The first thing that I'm going to pull out of here is going to be this. This is the Earth Harbor Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum. Now this is worth $45. So this alone pays for your box, because if you're not familiar with EYESCREAM is a monthly subscription box. It's $25 a month. You're guaranteed an eyeshadow palette every single month. You don't get a whole lot of skincare from what I've seen in here. Like, this is my second box, and that's the only skincare like product that I've gotten so far, so I'm happy about that. Next up, of course, is going to be our palette that we got. Now, this is IBY Beauty, and this is $20. It's such a pretty palette. I love it. I love all these colors in here. I can't wait to play around with this. I've never tried anything from them, so we shall see how good it is. Next up is this So Susan highlighting crayon, and this is $20 as well. This is what it looks like. Let's swatch it a little bit. I love that. I think it's so pretty. The next thing that we got is a Bella Pierre Mermaid Sleigh Kit. Now this is for your eyes. This is what it looks like when you open it up. You know, I've never used loose glitter before, so that should be interesting. So I think what I'm going to do is use the palette in this video, and then I will come back and do a second video just like using this, because I've never used loose glitter before. I can't see it being that easy. It's probably pretty messy, I would imagine. But I do have like glitter glue, so we'll give it a try. But this color in here looks beautiful. I can't really show you, but it's like a blue glitter. They got like a teal. They got like this is the teal, this is like a brown color, and then this is your glitter. And it comes with a little brush in here too. So in the next video, I definitely want to try it, because I do like glitter, but I'm just used to glitters like from e.l.f. and stuff like that. Like, it's already a liquid, so you don't have to mess around with putting on the glitter glue and then actually using loose glitter. So that should be interesting. Oh, I got one more thing here. This is the Crown Pro Lipstick in Midnight Kiss. This is $6. So total, I think this box is like $136. But I don't know, you guys. Do you see this color? Ooh. That is not like a color that I ever wear. So I am going to try to wear it today. But we'll see. We'll see how I like it once I get it on. I'm usually not like a red person, but being that that is a darker red, I'm going to try to wear it anyways. I'm going to try. Okay, so I have my eyelids and everything already primed. Of course, I have all the rest of my makeup already done. I'm just going to jump in with this palette. The first color that I'm going to start out with is that Sunset Boulevard color right there. In my last video, I was talking about that nail set that I ordered from Amazon. I got it in. I did my nails. Aren't they so cute? I didn't film though, and I'm really glad that I didn't, because a few of the nails turned out to be crooked, so I had to take them off. So I got a few like tips to do this, don't do this kind of thing. So the next time that I do my nails, I'm for sure going to film just so you can see. I mean, they've been on for a week now, and I'm really surprised that they've lasted that long. Like, they are super simple to do them. Like, once you've done it a couple of times, like the first time I was like, oh Lord, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this, but it turned out pretty good. after I got a couple of them crooked and crazy looking. So I know how to take them off now too. Well, that color isn't showing up on me too well. I think I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go into that gold color right there, which is called Award. And I'm going to put that on my lid. Okay, so this color is having a little bit of fallout, but it's not too bad. I'm sure it'll just brush away. It's very creamy colors though. Ooh. Okay, so these are the swatches for the blacks. This is the matte black and that's the sparkly one. I'm gonna start out with the matte and then I'm gonna add some of that sparkle on top of it because y'all already know I love sparkle. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab a little pencil brush and start off with that black and just put it on the outer crease. And I'm gonna take that matte shade and I'm gonna blend it around. Okay, and now I'm gonna go into that shiny black, which is called Late Night, and I'm gonna put over top. I didn't try to go too heavy-handed with that other black shade just because I took it over into my transition area, so I didn't want to make that too black. And I'll probably go back with that first brush that I had and add a little bit more of that first color just to diffuse this black color out. This black is really nice and pigmented, this glittery one. But I will have to say though, it doesn't look too glittery on the eye or anything. I'm gonna go back with that first color, which was Sunset Boulevard, and just blend over top of that black. And then for underneath of my lash line, I'm gonna go into that glittery black and just put it underneath of my lash line. I have the So Susan highlighter stick, and I'm gonna use that for my brow bone and my inner corner. So far, I have really been loving these ice cream boxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara, and then I will be back to try out that red lipstick that I'm super nervous about. Okay, you guys, so I'm back, and this is the completed eye look. I love it a lot. I think it turned out really nice. I like the blacks and the golds. Still super nervous about this lipstick because it's so red. It's so red. Oh, it's okay. I'm actually gonna take a, I think like black liner and try to use this red with the black liner, and we'll see how that turns out, because I do like how that looks on other people, but I don't know, we'll see. Because I don't have anything close to a red liner at all, like dark brown or black, that's all I have. And this is supposed to be like a charcoal color. Okay. Oh lordy. Oh, I'm trying to be super careful going around the edges so I don't want to mess up. This is just one dip too. I haven't dipped back in here yet. This is just one dip. Like, whoo. Okay. You know, I don't actually think that it looks too bad. Okay, it's kind of sticky. Like, do you see my lips sticking together? Oh my gosh. I wonder if it's gonna like dry though. Like, it cannot be that sticky. It's starting to dry down though, so we'll give it a couple minutes and then see if it's like, because it doesn't say. It says long lasting matte A lip stain. It's a lip stain. Oh no. All right. Well, you guys, my lips might be stained this color. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. What do you think about this color on me? It is, ooh, it's different. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know how I feel about it. What do you think about this month's box? I really liked it. I like this eyeshadow palette. It turned out pretty good. The lipstick, okay, it's not too bad actually. I think it looks pretty decent actually. Surprise, surprised. The little highlighter stick, I like that a lot for my inner corner actually. I thought it worked out great for my inner corner. The next video, like I said, I'm going to be using that Bella Pierre loose glitter little situation we got going on there. But it is pretty cool because like on the back it shows you different like looks you can do with it. So I like that about it. We'll see what we come up with the next video on that. I'm excited to try that. Let's see if it's it is kiss proof, you guys. It's not coming off. Yeah, it is not coming off. Okay. I'm going to have to look up some of this lipstick. This is Crown Pro, so I'm going to have to look it up and see if it actually comes in a nude color, because if it does, and it doesn't wipe off, like that is, I like it. I like it. If I can get a color that I actually like wear all the time, not this vampy red, but this is cute for like special occasions. I could do it. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you like this type of video. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe and support my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!